Hi everyone, it's Hidej. Welcome back to How to Read Japanese lesson number 3. So from today, we're going to be learning katakana. And first of all, I'm going to show you all katakanas here. So if we count them all, we have 5 columns here and 10 rows plus 1. So it's nearly 5 times 10, so 50. So actually, this table is called 50 sound table or 50 sound diagram, in which we can learn all katakanas and also hiragana. And if you look at it carefully, you can find empty boxes in these 5 squares. Well, I learned that there used to be other katakanas on these squares in all Japan, but it's not there today. Okay. And also, we have one special katakana here. We will learn it later. So in total, it's only 46. So basically, these are all katakana you should learn. But in the previous video, I told you there are more than 50. Well, the reason is there are some variations other than these 46. So that's why I said 50. But don't worry. Basically, these 46 would be enough. So let's start learning. And in lesson number 3, I think we're going to learn only the first 3 rows. How about that? So let's learn 15 katakanas in this video. Okay? So let me put this table somewhere. Oops. Somewhere here. Oh, maybe here. Okay. All right. First of all, let's start by the first row. Okay, let me type those 5 letters with another software because that one can't type. All right. Okay, so these are the ones I typed. So let's see this one, and let me show you how to write that. Okay, first of all, first one, it goes like this and this. Second one, you sweep from the top right like this, and a straight line here. The third one is straight line, small one, another one, and you go this way and you sweep. Okay, fourth one is straight, straight, and straight. Okay, fifth one, straight line and a long vertical line and a little sweep here. And from the crossing point, you sweep to the left. All right. All right, so let's erase the typed ones. Now, how do we read these katakanas? Here it is. Actually, these 5 are all vowels. So the first one is a. The second is e, u, e, o. A, e, u, e, o. And actually, these are all vowels we have in Japanese. Only 5. So it's very fewer than in English, I guess. In English, for example, the sound I guess it's similar to maybe this one. And also this one is pretty similar. And of course, this sound, right? So, for example, it's very difficult for Japanese to distinguish between these 3 pronunciations. For example, how about this? Mad, mud, and mod, right? But these pronunciations are hard for Japanese to distinguish between them. So I guess sometimes if you listen to a Japanese who is speaking English, it's hard to understand because they don't understand these 3 differences. And the Japanese is somewhere between these two, I guess. A little bit near to this one. Okay? Ah. And E is simple, I can understand. And U, E, O. Okay, I guess those are all simple. Now, now that we've learned all the vowels, now we're going to move on to the next one, the second row. Okay? Yeah, let me type them. Okay, let's move this one. I'm gonna write these 5. Okay, first one is from left. Oops, it's blue. From left to right, and there's a corner here and a little sweep, and a sweep here. The second is 2 diagonal line, a little bit diagonal and a little bit diagonal. That is crossing. Okay, third one is it goes like this. Fourth one is like this. The fifth one, there's a corner, and from the left, like this. Okay. So, how do we pronounce? Okay, this is the most interesting part. Okay, this row represents the sound of K. Okay. So actually, if you want to know how to pronounce these words, all you have to do is you combine the K with all these vowels. So what you can get from here is, okay, let me rearrange the layout. Okay, I think I should put this one here. All right, so let's combine these words. That means this one is actually ka, and this one is ki, ku, ke, and ko. So it's ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Okay. All right, now let's move on to the third row. So let me type here. All right. Okay, so let's start from the left one. Straight line, straight, and sweep. Okay, 2 little dots here, and you start from the left bottom to this side. Oops, this side. Okay, and straight, and there's a corner and sweep, and you stop it here, and straight line, sweep it, and there's a little carve here, and you stop here. Okay, a little dot from the left top, stop it, and then a long sweep. Yep. What consonant they represent is here, S. So, yeah, you know what these are pronounced, right? Okay, what do you think? Yeah, sa. So, what do you think the rest are? Okay. You think C, all right? Su, se, and so. Pretty good. Yeah, that's what you would think, but actually, one of them is wrong. It's this. It's this one. You would think it's C, but it's not. Actually, for some reason, only this one should be like that. She. Well, it's very unreasonable. I know that. Well, it's just that we don't have the sound of C. This one. We don't have the sound in original Japanese language. So actually, we can't pronounce this. So that's why it has to be varied to she only for this sound. So if you notice, when you have ever spoke to a Japanese who is not so good at speaking English, they often confuse the pronunciation of C with she, and they often pronounce C, C, or C maybe. These words with this pronunciation, she. So it's very confusing, right? Well, the reason is that we don't have C in original Japanese. So be careful. The consonant changes only for this one. Yeah, be careful. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. But okay, let's do a little practice on pronunciation. So from the first row, just repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O. Very good. And K row, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. And the third row is S row, which is Sa and She. Right. And Su, Se, So. Okay, very good. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.